Hi, and welcome to my market update for July and August of 2023. So we've sold 179 units in Oakville in July and 183 in August. And the average sale prices were 1.528 versus 1.492. And that's down from 1.568 in June. So we've had a 2.5% decrease each month. And so now we're back down to 19% off of our highest of highs, which was back in March of 2022, just before we started getting all these rate hikes. And so then we had an average sale price of 1.856. We since then have had 10 rate hikes of various sizes. And so we've gone up significantly in interest rates. However, over the last, I would say this past year, we've held pretty close to the 1.5 average price range. And that's pretty remarkable considering all these rate hikes that we've had. And I attribute that to our low level of inventory has sort of kept the prices from tumbling out of control. And so let's have a look at these levels of inventory. So we've been in and around 400 to 500 units of inventory, which is in stark comparison to years ago when we last had our high average price back in 2017. We had over 1,500 pieces of inventory and almost 2,000 at one point back in May of 2018. And so we started seeing prices tumbling about 20% then as well. And right now we have very little inventory in comparison. And so what this does, this really, really tight level of inventory, is that any movement, any market activity, such as a decrease in interest rates, when rates have been rising and rising and rising and then holding steady and then rising and holding steady again, any movement in that opposite direction is going to have a very quick and large impact on average sale price. You'll see that sale price go up. Is it going to happen next month? No. Is it going to happen 12 months from now? Possibly. We don't know. I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball, but I know that it takes time for everything to go through the economy. And we're starting now finally to see that all these interest rate hikes are actually having a good effect on our inflation rate. And will they overshoot it? Most likely. And then they'll have to start reducing rates. And when they do that, that's when you'll see a huge difference in the average sale price. So yes, rates are high, but the prices are 20% lower. Are you in a position to take advantage of it? I don't know. Listen, interest rates aren't a reason to buy or sell a house. You'll have other needs that are much more important than that. And when those needs add up to get you to the point where, listen, yeah, maybe we need to move, then I'm right here to help you take advantage of whatever the market is at that time. Thanks.